How to stop drinking alcohol, alcohol addiction. Do you wish that you could stop or control your drinking? Is the alcohol starting to take over and you feel that you need some help in regaining control? Are you fed up with all of the problems and aggravation that comes from being addicted to alcohol? Have you ever thought of trying a successful and effective way to control or stop your habit? The Why Not Give Hypnosis a go to help you regain a lifestyle that is right for you. Hypnosis could just be the answer that you are looking for now that you know that the answer that you find at the bottom of a glass does not help you. As a hypnotherapist and author, I have helped many people in my career to regain a hold on their life and take control of their alcohol addiction or alcoholism. People get addicted to alcohol for many reasons, however, many of them end up in the same situation, and this is not a great situation to be in. A dependence on alcohol can rip apart relationships with loved ones and can crush families, leaving children with a tough time trying to understand what is going on with the person that they love so much. What would life be like if you dealt with this issue right now? What would change over the next few days and weeks as you started to take control? What would you get back? Maybe even things that you thought had gone forever. You owe it not only to yourself, but to the people that need you to be around to make a success of controlling your drinking. Just imagine all of the great things that life is offering you, and just imagine how much more you can enjoy them without the drink controlling you. Hypnosis works to reprogram the part of your mind that makes you you. We call this part your subconscious mind, and this is where all of your habits, beliefs, and behaviors are kept, including the ones that relate to your drinking habits. So whether you want to stop drinking alcohol completely or just want to control your intake, then hypnosis may be just right for you. If you are serious about being a happy and content person that can control their drinking habits or stop completely, then I suggest you try a hypnosis download or recording, or look up your local hypnotherapist. I wish you the best of luck in achieving success with your drinking.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.